Today, we are going to fix a nasty rip on a tweed jacket. Have you had before a garment like this and you thought that it wouldn't be invisible enough if you try to fix it? Please let me know in the comment. The rip is at the back and I pinned to see if I can take in a little bit to help me with the job. But anyways, just taking won't be enough because the material will rip again. So I'm marking my pins and now I'm going to remove them and look at that. Oh, that doesn't look good, right? So I'm going to start by opening the lining. I'm going to use just a seam that is very close. I would have preferably used the center back, but the center back is just one piece. So I'm using the side back and then I'm going to insert my hand to pull out the part of the jacket I'm going to work with. So of course, the first thing I'm gonna do is to open this material, and you have to be careful when you open this because of all the threads that are there. You don't want to rip it more, of course. And here you go. Someone tried to fix it just by sewing it a little bit, but as I said before, this kind of fast alteration, they really don't work because that material is already too weak. If you pull it more, it will rip more. So I'm gonna try to eliminate all the little thread around and ironing. Just by ironing a little bit, the fibers get a little bit more in place. That's really good. I'm ironing as well the other side, of course, and now I'm going to prepare the reinforcement. I'm taking interfacing and I'm gonna cut 2 pieces of it, long enough to cover all the damaged area. And then I'm going to glue them in the inside. If you want, you can kind of wave the part that goes to the center. That way it will be less noticeable. Then I'm gonna try to find a very good matching color thread. You see, you don't see it, you see it, you don't see it. And then for the bobbin, I kind of find the other color. Not that it's so important because if the tension is good, you shouldn't see it, but just in case, I think it's a very good combination. So I'm going to thread my machine with the gray on top and with the sand color at the bottom. And then I'm gonna make stitches vertical over the gray part. As you can see, it's very difficult to see them. So you just have to follow the line and you see, you don't see it. I'm sorry, but that's the job that we are looking for. When you have enough vertical, then you go and do some horizontal lines. After you do that at the other side, and now I'm marking my pins inside. As you can see, I'm using my nails to help me with that. And with this mark, then I'm gonna just try to connect all the dots. And today I'm using this marker because I needed to iron. And then I'm gonna close back everything and then I'm going to my ironing table and I will iron this seam flat. And my last step is to close back my lining. We are going to do it in the lazy way. I'm flipping and then I'm going to sew as much as I can and then I will pull it back. But still the hole is a little too big, so I will do it again a little bit more because you want that hole the smallest you can. You see, this one is a kind of 1 inch or 1 inch and a half. And then to close that part, I'm gonna use a ladder stitch and it's closed. I'm going from one side to the other and then I pull it and it's done. Here you go. You can see nothing. It's totally undetectable. So guys, that was all for today. If you like this video, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. Bye.